Let's turn any image into video with OpenArt AI. I'm over here at the home page. Let's go to video. Then go to image to video. Now in order to make a video out of an image, we need to drag and drop an image, or we could just click on that square and then click upload. I'm gonna select an image that I could work with. I'm gonna select this one, click open. Now you can see it uploaded the image over here. And now we can write a prompt over here. It says optional, please provide a detailed description of the action unfolding in the scene. Now you can just leave it like that and create, but we are not gonna do that. We are gonna give it a text to tell what we want to do with this image. So let's make her wave hello and smile. Now over here at the select models, we have different models. If we click on that, you'll see all the models that OpenArt AI has. Now notice when you pick a different model, it will change all the settings. So let's change from Clink 2.5 to Pixverse 5. As you can see, it changed some of the settings. Let's check another one. Let's go with Seedance. As you can see, now we have these options. So let's go back to Kling AI. Now over here it says add audio or add voice. So if you want to add any audio or add a voice, that's where you can do that. Now in settings, the duration of the video. It says 5 seconds and 10 seconds. This model only has these options. Now notice when I change to 10 seconds, it's gonna cost more credits. Now the cost of the 5 seconds is 100 credits. But if I change it to 10 seconds, it's gonna be 200 credits. Also, if I change the quality to lower quality, it's gonna be 160. If I go back, it's gonna be 200. You can see your balance of the credits over here at the top. Now let's generate the video where we want this woman to wave hello and smile. Let's create. Now you'll see this square where it generates the video. All you need to do is wait until it finishes generating. It can be around 2 to 5 minutes to generate the video. So I'm gonna skip this process. Okay, so it has finished generating the video. Let's click on that and see how it looks. Which is exactly what I wanted. I wanted her to wave and smile. So make sure if you want more complicated video, you need to write more details in the description. Yes, so this is how you can turn any image into a video with OpenArt AI. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and thank you for watching.